Hello, I'm Todd Smith, and this is your Appellate Tip of the Week. This week's tip is subscribe to the Texas Supreme Court advisory emails. These emails are put together by the Supreme Court's staff attorney for public information, a gentleman by the name of Osler McCarthy. You can see Osler's email address here. I will list it separately. Osler puts out notices whenever the court is doing something significant. So I've got three examples shown here that will give you some indication of the value of these notices. The first one, as you see on the screen, is notice that certain cases are going to be submitted for oral argument. And these are significant because this is the first set of cases that the Supreme Court has taken on oral argument over Zoom in light of the coronavirus pandemic. You can see that Osler identifies the case, counsel, and gives an issue summary. So that's extremely useful to know. He usually sends these out the day before the argument takes place. The second type of email that Osler sends out is notifications of orders and opinions. These emails go out on Fridays, and you get the same basic kinds of information: the cause number, the case name, who the lawyers are usually, and then a description of the case, basically a very short summary. This is extremely useful if you're tracking a case or if you just want to keep up with what's going on with the Supreme Court of Texas and its regular Friday orders. The third type of email that Osler sends is an advisory concerning special announcements. Just today, there was an announcement about the 10th emergency order in response to the coronavirus pandemic. So Osler sent out an email linking to the order and also linking to orders 1 through 9 and just very briefly summarizing them. So if you want to stay in touch with what's going on at the Supreme Court and get notices about cases that are coming out or arguments that are going to take place, this is a very useful email list to be on. Osler's email, again, is shown here. It's osler.mccarthy@txcourts.gov. If you just email him and ask him to be included on his list, I'm sure he'll include you. He does not have an automated list. I checked with him, and there's no way that you can go to a website or something and subscribe to the list. You've got to reach out to him directly. And the best information I have from Osler is that right now he's got about 2,500 people who are on this list and get these notices regularly. And he maintains it manually. So if you're interested, reach out to Osler by email, and I'm sure he'd be happy to add you. That's it for this week's tip. We'll see you next time.